Guys, check it out. I'm presenting to you our brand new cup holders right over here. Look at these bad boys. 2 of them. Loving them, man. And why is that? Well, as you know, we have a middle seat here because we sleep in the car, which means the seats need to collapse. Normally you have a cubby here, have a little cup holders here, no big deal. Everybody has that. I'm sure you do as well. We can't do that. We haven't done that. And we had these guys. So I'm blaming Chili's. That's whose fault this is. You know why? This is supposed to be a closed cup. Keeps it warm. As soon as you do this, you don't want to know how many times this has fallen over while we're driving along, sitting next to your seat. I was a bit fed up. Enough is enough. Bought a couple of these boys. You know where they're from, Mud Stuff or even Paddock. And they're very simple and easy. They fold up nicely. And I thought, this is great. Put our chilies in there. It'll be perfect. Not. So yeah, we got brand new cup holders. Chilies don't work well, so we came to another solution. I found these guys, one of these, and the other one is over there by management. You can see we like the color blue. These guys fit in here. And why do we have these guys? Because we're testing them. But they're thinner.
Yeah.
That was the whole point. Why I go for these exact ones is because they're thinner, easier to hold. In the next video, I'm going to show you the difference between these ones. It's a very short video, very quick test on these, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. What do you think about our new cup holders?